Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Gmail tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to save an email from Gmail as PDF. This is actually quite simple. To do this, I first open Gmail and find myself here in my mailbox. Now I select the email that I want to save as a PDF. In the email I now click on the printer icon at the top right corner, and if I cannot see this directly due to my resolution, I can also click on the three dots and here on print. In the print preview we change the printer to save as PDF and can also change settings if necessary, such as print in landscape format. Once I'm done with this, I click on save and select the location. For this tutorial it's the desktop. My email has now been saved as a PDF on the desktop, and we will take another look on it. And as we can see, this worked very well. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.